Hello guys, today is January 23rd, 2022 and it's 2:14 p.m. You can see train running. This is the Sobu line. I'm in front of the Okubo station of JR Okubo station. The other day I recorded in Shin-Okubo, but actually I haven't come to the Okubo area for long time, like several years. And I have something to do. I want to go shopping in an Asian store between Shin-Okubo and Shinjuku. So today I'm gonna walk from Okubo station to Asian supermarket through Shin-Okubo. So a lot of new shops are here. Before, Lotteria is not here at all, and bubble tea shop, Four Brother, that is a Vietnamese food shop. So I hope you enjoy this walk. Actually, Shin-Okubo is a Korean town, but this Okubo area has a lot of international shops. I think that is a Chinese grocery store. This is a Chinese restaurant. You already saw the Vietnamese restaurant, well. This is a marathon Chinese noodle. Looks very good. Alright, this is a halal supermarket, so it means that Malaysia, Nepal or something. Miramart. I think this one is Indian spice or something. Maybe spice for biryani. Okay. Wow. There are so many international supermarkets here. Not like before. This one too. Look at that. Wow. And you can use cell phone, use the smartphone. Don Quixote is here as well. Right, this is a Chinese supermarket. It's underground. I've come here before. And Chinese food stand, which is closed now. Wow, look at that Chinese supermarket here as well. It was not here before. That one is a Chinese food restaurant. I think it is rum. Rum restaurant. Wow. This is the arcade. They are renting the school uniform of Korea because many young people love Korea and come to the Korean town here. Alright, this is the Shin-Okubo area. Actually, this street is Islam street. You can find an Indian, Nepal, Malaysia or something food restaurant and a supermarket. It's very, not very long street, but it's interesting. Alright, this is Shin-Okubo station. So I'm gonna keep walking in the Korean town now. Today I'm really happy to be able to see the Okubo area. Maybe for the first time since 7 years ago. There were not so many shops in the Okubo area. I mean international shop, but now so many. And I felt like most of store are Chinese related store, Chinese restaurant and a supermarket. It's crowded today. But not gonna rain. Wow, looks so tasty. I think I better to cross this road. When I walk in the Shin-Okubo, I always walk in the Ikemen Street to heading to south. But I think today I'm gonna try this road. This road. Wait for the car. Wow. Alright, maybe we can go. Popular samgyeopsal restaurant, Delica Ondoru. This one is a popular cafe. That cafe always has a long line waiting for the entrance. This is the park. I forgot the name of the park. Right, clothing store, Korean restaurant. Right, this one is a Korean style izakaya. Looks very cool. I didn't know that there is oil here. Hikari House, Shinjuku. But it's under construction or renovating, I don't know. And a Korean restaurant, Korean sweet shop, and the cafe. Hot dog and hot dog, Korean food stand. I know him. Korean chicken. All you can drink with 990 yen. It's very, good price. Low expense, low price. This is a live studio. Often not so very popular Korean group are doing live here. Alright, this street is the Ikemen Street that I come often when I walk in Shin-Okubo. It's a very popular shopping street in Shin-Okubo, Korean town. That is a large Korean supermarket. Hankoku Ichiba, meaning Korean market. Many people are doing shopping. Yeah, that is a popular one. But today I'm going to the Asian supermarket, but actually it's Thai supermarket. I want to buy some Thai grocery, and that supermarket has so many Thai grocery. I think the best supermarket for the Thai items. Alright, we are almost here. So I came from this way. This is the intersection in front of the supermarket, and this is the market, Asia Superstore. Alright. So I'll be ending this video here actually. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and see you. Bye bye.